how to fix Valorant graphics card problem isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, all you need to do just type here. First, just type here graphics settings, and now once you're here, all you need to do first just click browse, and now you need to find the right games folder. Click on it, Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, and here we'll find it. Right click on it, and then properties, compatibility mode, and then run this program as an administrator. Enable it and enable the first one, and select Windows 8, apply and OK, and then add. Now click here, options. Now just change between those two graphics card. Select first one if that doesn't fix it, then select second one and click save. And after that, type here device manager, click display adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and after that update other GPU, update and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Please don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.